Aw, you have colds and you don't feel that good. And oh no, your used tissue paper is all over the place. Well, I can't blame you for that. You just want to rest, and the trash bin is pretty far from your space. Don't worry, I have a solution for that. Welcome to the 4th episode of Random Crafts Thursdays with Sarielle, only here on Sariellism. For this episode, I'll be sharing with you how to make an instant/convenient trash bin that you could use anywhere. It's very easy. All you need is a disposable cup or a recycled plastic cookie jar, just like this. Then, put a small plastic bag to act as your garbage bag into the jar. You could also put a rubber band around the jar to hold the plastic bag in place. Place it to the most convenient area for you and you're done. Your trash bin is ready to use. You can actually place it on your office or school desk so that you don't have to stand up often and leave your working space just to get to the trash can. Or if you're at home and you just want to lie on your couch or bed to rest, just put the desk trash bin on your side table and you're good to go. Just don't forget to properly dispose the whole plastic bag if it's already full. And don't forget to sanitize your hands.